episode of Thursday Tech Review. This is the 4th episode, so this box, beautiful Amazon box. Kind of opened it because I had to check, making sure I got so many packages, so making sure this was the right item for this week's review. So let's unbox this and see what it is. So, just get rid of that. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright. Okay. It's probably it looks pretty nice. Okay, let's open this up. If I can. I don't know how, but I got it. Gotta open. Gotta open, boys. Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's get rid of that, bro. Who needs that? Alright. Let's open this up. Okay. I'm gonna angle this down. So, alright. I angled it down a bit more, so ooh. It's a backpack. So alright, alright, now this is the front of the backpack. I'm gonna start opening it up, and I just opened this. Okay, let's see. Zippers. This is a weird backpack, though. This is the first zipper. Okay. So these are the components inside. So I'll try to show you. Boom. So there are a lot of pockets. So I could tell. Let me show you this. I'm gonna show you this. It's really weird, but there's one pocket here. Okay, there's one pocket. My charger. Okay, they included USB. Okay. So I can charge my phone, so it's pretty good. Ignore that noise, but let's see, what else I got? That was my speaker, so dumb. Right, there it goes. That's another component. Ooh. Okay, there's another component here. It's kind of cool. Let's see what else. Do they have a battery here? Let's check out a battery. They don't have a battery. Oh, they do have a battery included, but they don't. It's kind of sad, but okay. Oh, so you could zipper it out, so it's kind of cool, you know, like that. Boom. Okay. You can do that for both sides. Put a battery. Let's see. How can you charge this? Oh, you don't include a battery because okay, so right here I was trying to figure out this backpack. Right now it's on sale. You can get this for like less than $10, and yes, it's an IP rating for water and dust resistant, I believe, IP67. So this is pretty cool. Okay, let me see if I can put this in. So I'm gonna get my battery pack somehow, maybe. It's kind of cool. Okay, so this. Okay, you can't take this out. Just whatever. Can I? That's this whole thing. So you can't because this is soft. So what you do is you put this USB focus and see. I don't know. Never tried this, so let me see if it works. So you put this thing in here, because right here in the corner is a plug, which is they haven't included that in there, which is really weird, but should have done it. I don't have to install this jumble stuff. Okay, all right, okay. Looks pretty good. I mean, seems legit. I mean, they have pretty good ratings on this, so minimum like 4.5. So Calvin right now, Calvin would definitely buy this because it's really cheap. Right now, it's on sale. Link down in the description below. Go check it out. Give you the code as well, so you save you like I think 60% right now. So go check it out before it expires. I don't know when it's expired, but once it's out, it's out. So I'll get my charger. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back and got my battery pack, so I'm gonna plug it in here. I think this battery is about to die, so either way, so turn this on. So she's on. Focus. Focus. terrible focus, but there it goes, it's on. And let's get a charger. Got a random charger that I found on the side. Put this on. Any charger, USB-C, iPhones, or anything, but let's see. Okay, plug it in into a phone. So let's try this. It works. It's charging. Pause. Show you. It is charging. Get on, please. Right there. It's charging. Ooh, okay. There you go. Can't see too much stuff. That's most of it. So, yeah, that's how it works. And this backpack, you know, let's give it a test. There's this pocket here component as well. I think that's where you put the batteries, but you know, I haven't seen everything. But let's try this. You know, and walk on a style, so I don't want to check for charging right now because I don't want to charge the phone. Put this back. Maybe clean. And yeah, okay. Let me show you guys how it looks when I'm on to go. So say, you know, I'm on the way to, you know, go to class or anything like that, but here, boom, boom. Alright. Looking pretty sharp. Pretty good looking. I mean, it's not bad. So, you know, not really showing off, but you know, that's how life is. So I will highly recommend you buy this because it's freaking dope. Look at this, boom, dope. I like it. Like it so much. Highly recommend it. Like, I give this like I think a good rating. So let's test water. Should we do a water test? You know what? Let's do it. So I dripped some water down. So I don't know how does it look, but it's pretty. I mean, I drip a lot of water actually. There's a lot of water I drip down because I have water cut, but looks pretty fun, I guess. It's gonna dry out eventually. I don't like when they don't have components in the front, but this is everything from the back, so that's why it's like has water resistant and include a power charger, which is not bad. This is a USB 2.0, I believe, but I think you could up to 3 if you could find like a female to male. So that's a plus in here, and yeah, I think that is all. I mean, pretty much this is the backpack. Like I like this in general, and great backpack. Highly recommend to buy this, and you know, it's a 4-star out of my choice. So just use the link down in the description and the coupon code down there. It's all great. Save you big bucks, 60% off right now until I believe the 17th, but I'm not sure. But use the link. Get this $10. The original price is I think 30 or 40 bucks. So like, you're saving big money already. So that is all for now. Make sure you leave a like to this video. Comment down below what you want me to review next. Anything about tech? It's not really tech, but you know, it's a little bit small tech thing because it's kind of cool. Haven't reviewed one of these before, and I never owned one of these backpacks. So yeah, share with your friends, family, members, whatever. You know, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.